Hi friends, Suzanne here with a new mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019 and was finally able to open registrations for this fall of 2021, with more planned for the new year. So if you're local, I'd love to have you join in. Registrations will be on my blog, sunstampin.com. I asked a friend and fellow demonstrator, Terry, from carddesignsbyterry.com to help me with the event. We split the work, the costs, and brought together our local crafters for a first-class event. In this series, I'm sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some products are from the last celebration, so if you are looking to recreate, you may have to substitute. This is card number 2, and we are using the Angels of Peace stamp set. Normally I have a stamp set on the video here for you on my desk, but I don't own this stamp set, and it's so funny because I think that every single one of Terry's designs was using a stamp set or die that I did not have, and vice versa. So we are starting with the embossing buddy and wiping it along our rectangle of basic white. We are inking up our angel image with Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink. And then we're going to be sprinkling on gold emboss granules, or gold embossing powder, if you will, over the image. We're going to tap off the excess. And one of my attendees at the event said, well, how come your heat embossing is so much better than mine? And she's like, look at the example here. And I'm like, oftentimes we use a brush, and you can see that little paintbrush in the background there. I often wipe off any little stray powders that I see before I hit them with the heat tool. So if you have an old or a dollar store paintbrush that you're willing to sacrifice for specifically that, that's what I do. All right, moving on with this card design. This is the Merry Melody 3D embossing folder, and we are tying it with a really luscious bow, or knot, with a lovely gold ribbon. And that is the gold 3H shimmer ribbon. It ties like a dream. I'm just out of practice, so it took me a while to get that knot just right. And then I put dry adhesive on the back of my angel, attached it to the gold foil cardstock, and then smothered the back with dimensional adhesive as per the directions. Actually, I would say that Terry probably doesn't use as much dimensionals as I do. Anyway, but she comes in a close second, I'm sure. Now, if you want to have nice clean cuts, what you can do is use your ribbon scissors, which are just basically paper snips that I got brand new, and I tied a ribbon around them, and I said, these are my ribbon scissors. I'm not going to use them for anything else. And they stay nice and sharp that way and don't snag your ribbons. And especially this one has a tendency to fray if you don't cut it properly. All right, I put that on a basic white card base, and that is the number 2 card for the series. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.